In this video, we'll cover how you can get money back from NZTA for your off-road or generator petrol usage. Hi, it's William here from the Food Truck League. We connect food trucks across New Zealand with event organizers. Many food trucks and other business owners operate a petrol generator or have off-road machinery. Did you know that you can claim back a portion of your petrol spend? Stick around until the end of the video to get a discount code for the Food Truck League affiliate service that helps you get your money back, or find out how to do it yourself. In this video, we're going to cover 4 things. What petrol consumption can be claimed back, how many years back you can put a claim in for, and how to use fuel rebate services. Also, how you can do the whole process yourself. You may want to familiarize yourself with these key terms: road user charges, RUC, and regional fuel tax, RFT. What petrol consumption can be claimed back? For our trucks, the generator is a big one. This is something that is not operated as a vehicle and is considered off-road. Rebates can be claimed for any off-road petrol-powered equipment like ride-on mowers, quad bikes, ATVs, water blasters, rollers, pumps, concrete saws, wood splitters, etc. If you operate any of these pieces of equipment, stick around for the rest of the video to see how you can get back your rebate. At the time of making this video, we were investigating the regional fuel tax, RFT, for Auckland residents. We're still waiting for more information on this. If you live in the Auckland area, it may be worth looking into this further about possible rebates. Number 2, how many years back can you put a claim in for? If you can check your books for the last 2 years of petrol purchases for your generator or other off-road equipment, you can get a rebate on it. With 2 years worth of generator use, it all adds up. Obviously, this is a case-per-case basis, so it's definitely worth checking out. How to use fuel rebate services with Money Back Fuel. Money Back Fuel specializes in getting fuel rebates back for all types of businesses. You can outsource their skill set and they can process the claim for you. Every quarter or 3 months, they'll ask you for your dockets again, and they'll get it sorted. For their services, there is a registration fee of $149 plus GST, which is deducted from your petrol rebate. If you use our affiliate code, you'll get 20% off your registration fee. Check out the comments below for details. Number 4, how to make a fuel rebate claim yourself. You can email the NZTA and ask them about registering for an RUC, road user charge, or RFT, regional fuel tax rebate. When I put an email request through, we received an auto response that would be 10 working days before they could connect with us. Try instead to call them and get NZTA to email the appropriate forms for registration. Details for this are in the comments section below. What do you think about NZTA rebates? Let us know what you think in the comments section below. If you found this video useful, consider hitting that subscribe button and be the first to see our latest uploads.